Hello students, welcome you all in English classes of RDS group of school. Class, today I am sending you the notes of chapter 3, but before starting your chapter 3, I hope you have completed your third and half-yearly syllabus. So class, make sure that your thought and syllabus should be written, and if you have written, please decorate your thought. Whatever the instruction I have given, you have to follow them, then your work will be good. Okay class, so first of all, as we always do, first of all you have to fill date and page number. These are very important things. You have to fill page number and date. And class, use only orange color, don't use every color. To decorate thought, you can use all colors except green, red. You have to avoid them, else you can use any color, but for underlining you have to use only orange color. So first of all, as you always do, you will write thought, and your thought is we should love and care our parents. As you know, the chapter was about Taro, and who was a very good son who loves his parents very much. So our thought is related to the parents. We should love and care our parents. Then you will draw a line. As you can see in PT1 में आप बहुत सारे बच्चों ने वर्क अच्छा नहीं किया था, बट आई वुड लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट श्रेया का जो वर्क था वो 6th क्लास में बेस्ट वर्क था. एक भी मिस्टेक कहीं नहीं थी और ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट. सब कुछ बिल्कुल परफेक्ट था. तो श्रेया ने जो वर्क किया था दैट वाज एक्सीलेंट. तो हर बच्चा ऐसा कर सकता है, बट आप लोग करते नहीं हो. दैट इज़ वेरी बैड. सो प्लीज़ पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स योर वर्क. First of all, you will write your thought, then you will draw a line, as you can see. And whenever you draw a line, you have to leave one line. Underline करने से पहले आप एक लाइन को छोड़ दीजिए. Then your work will look more good. Okay, then you will mention lesson 3, and then your lesson title, that is Taro's Reward, and then title is not given, so I have written here anonymous. Then an activity, and in activity you will draw a picture from your lesson. You can draw any picture from your lesson. Then from next page again you will mention date and page number, and you will mention vocabs. Then you will write words with black pen and meaning with blue pen. And class, make sure the first letter of each word should be capital. You have to note it. Then first word is chopped. Chopped means cut into pieces, though, despite the fact, cracks, narrow gaps, whistled through, passed through with a whistling sound. Shake, a popular Japanese drink, expensive, costly, made his way to, went to. And then kneeling, to bend down. Cupped, a little in his hand, took some water in his hand. Delicious means very tasty. Pitcher means a pot usually made of mud. Then greedily, desiring more and more. Intended, planned, tricked, deceived. Muttering, speaking unclearly. Sent for, called. And thoughtful means serious or caring. After that you will draw a line. As you can see, as I have done, you will do the same. Your work will automatically become good. Okay class, then you will start your question answer from a new page, as you can see. And please fill page number and date. Then you will note your first question. But class, जैसे मैंने लिखा हुआ है, मैंने लाइन लीव नहीं करी हुई है, बट 6th क्लास में सारे बच्चे एक एक लाइन लीव करके ही वर्क करेंगे. और वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस दीजिए. आप लोग वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस नहीं देते हो, तो स्पेस दीजिए और एक लाइन लीव करके वर्क करेंगे तो आपका वर्क अच्छा होगा. तभी मैं वो कॉपी चेक करूँगी, एल्स आई विल कट योर कॉपी. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डिड टैरो रन इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द स्ट्रीम? द आंसर इज, टैरो ran in the direction of the stream because he was very thirsty. He had never seen a rushing stream or heard the sound of falling water in that part of the forest. Then you will underline it and remember it. You have to leave one line. आप एक line छोड़कर ही underline करेंगे. Then your question number 2, how did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking shake? Taro's father was so delighted with the shake that he did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Then you will again put a full stop, then draw a line. Question number 3, why did the waterfall give Taro shake and others water? And the answer is, Taro used to serve his parents with dedication and sincerity. Full stop. The shake was the reward for his goodness. On the other hand, the people of his village got plain water because they were greedy. Full stop. Draw a line. Then question number 4, why did the villagers want to drown Taro? When the villagers got plain water from the waterfall, they thought that Taro had fooled and tricked them. Hence, they decided to punish him by drawing him in the same waterfall. Then the question number 5, why did the emperor reward Taro? And the answer is, Taro was a very dutiful son to his parents and served them with devotion. The emperor rewarded him with 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind to his parents. He also named the fountain after Taro. Through this, he wanted to encourage children to love and honor their parents. Then you draw your line and your question answer are finished here. Then you will start your activity from a new page. This is your activity class. Here some speeches are given in the bubble. You will draw the same. First of all, you will note this question like this. As you can see, from a new page you will note this question. Listen to these children, what are they talking about? This is your question. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. उसके बाद आप पूरे एक पेज पर ये 3 बबल्स बनाएंगे. थोड़ी सी जगह पे ये बबल्स आप नहीं बनाएंगे, आप पूरे पेज का यूज़ करेंगे तो और थोड़ी दूर दूर पर बनाएंगे, तभी आपका ये एक्टिविटी अच्छी बनेगी. बहुत पास बनाएंगे तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, पहले आप ये दोनों लाइनें लिख लेंगे, उसके बाद बबल को बनाएंगे. अगर आप पहले बबल को बना लेंगे फिर उसके बाद लिखेंगे तो आपका वर्क अच्छा नहीं होगा. तो पहले आप लिख लीजिए, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर बबल्स बना के ये बॉय का फेस छोटा सा बना दीजिए और पूरे पेज का यूज़ कीजिए बबल्स बनाने के लिए. अगर पूरे पेज पर बनाएंगे और थोड़ा डिस्टेंस दूर दूर बनाएंगे तो वो अच्छा लगेगा. तो पूरे पेज का यूज़ करें, कोई भी आधे पेज पर नहीं बनाएगा, पूरे पेज का यूज़ करके दूर दूर अच्छे से बबल्स को बनाइए. तो हमें क्या करना है, इन जो बबल्स में लिखा हुआ है, आई थिंक स्विमिंग इज़ मोर डिफिकल्ट देन ड्राइविंग, आई थिंक इट इज़ मच डिफिकल्ट एंड इधर. तो by using these bubble we have to make a story. We have to write what they are talking about. After making drawing all these bubbles and boys, now you will from next page you will write your answer. That is the 3 boys. How many boys were there? 3 boys. The 3 boys are discussing their problem. The first boy considers swimming to be more difficult than driving. The second boy disagrees to it. He thinks that swimming is much less difficult than driving. However, the third boy thinks that learning English is the most difficult task in comparison to swimming and driving. And your chapter is completed here. So आपका चैप्टर यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया. आफ्टर दैट टुमारो आई विल टीच यू द पोएम. एज यू नो a story and a poem is included in one chapter. So till then you will work till here. After that I'll teach you poem, then I'll send you the notes of poem. So class सब लोग अच्छे से इसका काम करेंगे, लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और मैंने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हैं थ्रू आउट द वीडियो यू हैव टू फॉलो. ओके क्लास. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अपना लिटरेचर का थॉट और सिलेबस जो मैंने आपको बहुत पहले सेंड कर दिया था उसको कर लीजिए. उसके बाद अपना लेसन स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. ओके क्लास. देन आप क्या करेंगे, अपना ये लेसन स्टार्ट करेंगे, एक्टिविटी बनाएंगे जैसे मैंने बोला. और आपको 1 लाइन लीव करके ही लिखना है. स्पेस ज़्यादा दीजिए वर्ड्स के बीच ताकि आपकी राइटिंग अच्छी बने, आपका वर्क अच्छा लगे. और बहुत ध्यान से कीजिए ताकि आप मिस्टेक्स उसमें ज़्यादा नहीं हो. ऑरेंज कलर का स्केच का यूज़ करिए, अपना वर्क बहुत अच्छा करिए क्लास. ओके क्लास. जैसा श्रेया का वर्क है, आई वुड I want that every student should do like that. Okay class, thank you.